I've got for you today a premiere of the Lock and Leave quarter acre product coming from Adamo Homes. These will be focused on lots 57 and 58 on Dock Bar Circle. Adjacently, there is Peppy Sand Circle, where there'll also be Lock and Leave product. On Dock Bar Circle, we've got 2 ranch plans underway. The big ranch is in the foreground here, around 4,700 square feet of finish. Main floor primary suite. There will be an upstairs bedroom and a pretty cool sky lounge deck over the garage. The views are big at Remuda Ranch, and the big ranch will take advantage of them. We're about 15 feet above the Peppy Sand Circle elevations. And like all the lots in Remuda Ranch, neighbors in front and neighbors behind are either far away or non-existent. Big ranch is going to have a big corner office in the front. There will be some homes out there, but it's an amazing place. $1 million views everywhere at Remuda Ranch. I look forward to seeing you out here soon. Enjoy the music, enjoy the views, and come out and see me for a tour soon. This is Picasso Homes Da Vinci Model Foundation. I'm on lot 74 of Remuda Ranch development. If you're a real estate agent and wants more from your business, we invite you to partner with us and implement proven production strategies with the support of real estate industry titans.